Dear all students, myself Miss Komal Jadhav, working as a lecturer in Sri Sant Krupa Shikshan Samstha's College of Pharmacy, D Farm, Ghogaon. Today I am going to discuss about protein, subject biochemistry and clinical pathology. Proteins definition. It is defined as polymers of amino acid joined together by peptide linkage C double bond O and H. Proteins properties. First, with some exceptional protein are insoluble in water. Second, they form viscous solution. 3. Each protein has characteristic odor. Fourth, at isoelectric pH, protein have least solubility. Fifth, at isoelectric pH, protein are electrically neutral. 6. Protein can be precipitated by acid, alkalis and metal ions. Classification of protein. Protein is broadly classified into 5 groups. First, classification on the basis of solubility. Second, classification based on composition. Third, classification based on shape or conformation. Classification based on basis of biological function. And fifth, classification on the basis of nutritional status. First, classification on the basis of solubility. Solubility are divided into different parts. A. Albumin. It is soluble in water. Example, egg albumin. B. Globulin. It is soluble in salt. Example, serum globulin. C. Scleroprotein. It is insoluble in water and dilute acid and alkalis. Example, keratin. D. Protamines and histones. It is soluble in water and dilute acid and alkalis. Example, salmine. E. Prolamines. It is soluble in 70% alcohol and insoluble in water. Example, zinc. F. Glutenins. It is insoluble in water and soluble in dilute acid and alkalis. Example, glutenin. Second classification, that based on composition. It is again classified into 3 parts. A. Simple protein. B. Conjugated protein. And C. Derived protein. In simple protein, it consists of only amino acid. Example, albumin. B. Conjugated protein. It consists of protein and non-protein part. Example, hemoglobin, casein, lipoproteins and glycoproteins. And C. Derived proteins. It formed by hydrolysis of high molecular weight protein. Example, gelatin. Third classification, that based on shape or conformation. It is again divided into 2 parts. First, globular protein. It is spherical in shape. Example, hemoglobin and albumin. Second, fibrous protein. It is long fiber and thread-like shape. Example, keratin, myosin and collagen. Fourth classification, on the basis of biological function. It is again divided into 10 parts. First, enzyme. Example, hexokinase. Second, hormones. Example, insulin. Third, structural protein. Example, keratin. Fourth, contractile protein. Example, actin. Fifth, transport protein. Example, hemoglobin. Sixth, storage protein. Example, ferritin. 7. Protective or defense protein. Example, antibodies. 8. Buffer protein. Example, plasma protein. 9. Toxic protein. Example, botulinum toxin. And last 10. Anti-vitamin protein. Example, avidin of egg white. Fifth classification, that based on nutritional status. It is again divided into 2 parts. First, complete protein and second, incomplete protein. Incomplete protein, protein which provide all essential amino acid after digestion are called as complete protein. And second, incomplete protein, in which protein which do not provide all essential amino acid after digestion are called as incomplete protein. What are amino acids? Amino acids are structural unit of protein having amino group NH2 and carboxylic group COOH group attached to alpha carbon called as amino acids. Amino acid is having alpha amino group, alpha carbon, alpha hydrogen, R group or side chain and carboxylic group. Classification of amino acid. First, classification on the basis of nutritional status, and second, classification on the basis of nature of solution and structure. First, classification that based on nutritional status. It is again divided into two parts. First, A. Essential amino acid. Amino acids which are not synthesized in the body and hence they needed to be supplied in diet. Such amino acids are called as essential amino acid. Example, leucine. Second, B. Non-essential amino acid. Amino acids which are synthesized in the body are called as non-essential amino acid and these are not needed to be given in diet. Example, proline. Second classification that basis of nature of solution and structure. It is again divided into different parts. First, acidic amino acid. These amino acids carry negative charge COO negative charge at pH 6. Example, aspartic acid. Image showing aspartic acid. Second, basic amino acid. These amino acids carry positive charge means NH3 plus charge at pH 6. Example, lysine. Image showing lysine. Third, neutral amino acid. The net charge in the solution is 0 at pH 6. These carry one amino acid and one carboxylic acid group in their structure. Example, glycine and alanine. 4. Sulfur containing amino acids. Example, methionine and cysteine. 5th, aliphatic amino acid. Example, serine. 6. Aromatic amino acid. Example, phenylalanine, tyrosine and tryptophan. 7. Heterocyclic amino acid. Example, proline and tyrosine amino acid. Thank you. The remaining part we will discuss in next lecture.